True to Honda's reputation, the Talon offers high build quality and durability, and today we're excited to introduce 3 new Stage Series lighting kits that increase that build quality even more. Hey everyone, CJ here from Diode Dynamics, and today we're going to take a closer look at each of these new kits for the Honda Talon. If you're not familiar with our Stage Series lineup, it's become a popular choice among off-roaders for its market-leading performance, unmatched durability, and US assembled quality. What makes our lights unique is our TIR optics. Traditional optics like reflectors or simple lenses tend to lose light, creating unwanted glare. Our custom-engineered TIR optics capture all the light from the LED, focusing it exactly where it's needed, which reduces glare and improves overall output efficiency. Each beam pattern in the Stage Series lineup was designed with optical simulation modeling for highly functional, application-specific performance. Additionally, every kit comes with an accent backlight to make your ride stand out. These kits are designed, tested, and assembled by our world-class team here in the US and bolt directly to your side-by-side's factory mounting points and are all backed by our standard 8-year warranty. Let's kick things off with our SS5 CrossLink Lightbar kit. This kit allows you to mount 7 SS5 LED pods above the roof for unbeatable performance. Available in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow, these pods feature our combo beam pattern for powerful, versatile output. Plus, each SS5 pod includes a built-in selectable backlight. Our white pods offer 8 color options, while the yellow pods have a single amber backlight. You can easily toggle the backlight colors with a switch without any extra controllers or wiring needed. Moving down to our Stage Series A-Pillar kit, this setup allows you to mount a pair of our SS3 or SS5 LED pods to the A-Pillar of your Honda Talon. With a larger platform for the pods to mount, these brackets are more rigid than others on the market, adding the much-needed stability your Talon deserves. The SS5 pods in this kit offer a combo optic, providing high-intensity light downrange and filling light directly in front of your Talon. Lastly, let's take a closer look at our Stage Series Reverse Light Kit and Chase Light Kit. Both kits include a pair of SS2 LED pods for added visibility. The Reverse Light Kit provides a high-output white reverse light with a red accent light, while the Chase Light offers a vibrant amber backlight with a 3000K selective yellow main beam to enhance visibility in dusty conditions. These kits significantly improve rear visibility at night and add a clean, modern look to the back of your Talon. And if that's not enough, our Stage Series rock lights are the perfect way to light up the ground around your rig, giving you the visibility you need to make it home safe. Or the perfect splash of style with our RGBW option. These kits come with tube mounts, making setup a breeze, plus all the wiring you need to get them powered up fast and easy. These lighting kits not only provide unmatched performance in any terrain, but they also give your Talon that custom look and at a great price. And that's the Diode difference. If you're looking to pick up any of these kits for your Honda Talon or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.